Hi, this is Raxel and welcome back to my another video in my channel. And this is the Syberia OS latest build, Android 12.L. Let's go to settings, about phone. This is the looks you get here. Device name Redmi K20 Pro. Android version is 12L Syberia v5.6. Kernel is Soviet Star. Okay, you get Syberia settings, system, you get UDFS icon pickers here and some anime icons, general tweaks, buttons, enable advanced restart option, you get game space, UI settings, your phone settings, icon styles and all. Now let's go and see the benchmarks. Where is the Geekbench? Now let's see the Geekbench score here. Geekbench score is not impressive. Single score 673 and the multi score is 2468. And here you get the CPU throttling test. You can see max 210k GIPS and the average is 176k, and I run this for 5 minutes 3 seconds. And you get Google camera here, BSG. It's a good camera. You can click some amazing photos and videos for your memories. And in DRM info you get wideband CDM security level L1, so you don't have any problem watching videos and listening music. And you get here Moto Dolby, tuned by Dolby, and this is for listening music and all. And let's see the quick setting panels. You get live display, reading mode, a caffeine, anti-flicker, live caption. That's it. You don't get heads up notification, you don't get heads up option, right? Safety net CTS profile match is failed. I don't know why. Is it because of decrypted storage or just normal? I don't know that, but you can use banking application without any problems. That's it. And the ROM is smooth. There is no bug I have seen at all till now. And you can see the face lock is working perfect. It's smooth and fast. This is unlocked by fast lock. Alright, you get the launcher, quick step launcher. You get lots of customization here for your home screen and app drawer, right? Okay, in settings, display, colors, you get natural, boosted, saturated, adaptive, and automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 72 Hz for some content, increases battery usage. I don't know if this is working or not. Okay, okay, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this type of content, and I hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.